Hey guys, we're here live in Fern Park with a very special treat. This is a home that we're considering buying. We want to know what your thoughts are on it. It is still available. We anticipate it's going to go into multiple offers this evening. So if you want a chance to purchase this and make some money, let us know. We are just around the corner from English Estates Elementary School, located off of 436 1792. If you're familiar with the Lake of the Woods subdivision, it's right behind that. This home, they're currently asking $205,000, and they're looking for a quick sale. You can already tell that the home needs a little bit of, as they say in the biz, TLC. Maybe a little bit more than some TLC.
Hey Sean.
The property was previously under contract, but that deal fell through as some of the issues of the home presented themselves. So again, you can already tell we're going to need a new front door. There's some wood rot along the edges. It is a block home with a wood fascia.
Hello Melanie. Hello Elizabeth.
Hey guys. So, what do you think about this tile, Mario? Is it in? Is it out? Need to go? Need to stay?
It was in, it was out, then it came in, then it was out. It's definitely out now.
It's still out, still out. Fair enough. But I like the spaces. This is the formal living room. I like that it has nice natural light coming in through these long skinny windows.
What do you think, Sean?
I would probably, as I'm looking around.
I don't know that I like the skinny windows. It's weird.
Oh really?
It's like prison cells.
No.
Prison windows.
Prison.
Just enough to get light in, but small enough so where you couldn't get out.
Listen, those of us who have kids, we got to keep the kids in, all right? We can't have them escaping, so maybe it is a little bit like a prison. I would push these walls back. What do you think about that?
I think it's possible.
Right. I mean, do you think it would add to the appeal or unnecessary?
It might be unnecessary for the cost.
Unnecessary for the cost.
What's up, Kyle?
What does Kyle think? Kyle.
Yeah, Kyle. What do you think? Push the walls out.
Should we take these walls back to the studs over here and open up this space for the dining room?
Melanie says, for the right price, I'll totally be worth shining this coin up.
That's what I'm talking about. Beautiful. Is that Melanie Herring? Which Melanie is this?
Hobby.
Melanie Hobby? Yeah. Oh yeah, we know she's in. We know she's in. Master bedroom. I'd say it's a good size.
What is that, queen bed?
Yeah, you could put a king in here.
Yeah,
that's floating in the middle of the room for some unknown reason. You have sliders out to the pool area.
Go there later.
There we go. Now, I'm really tempted to completely reconfigure. It's a large space. I just don't know that they put the space in the right places. Mario doesn't like that it has two normal-sized closets, which he thinks is too small for a modern master
suite, yeah.
I mean, for the home, it was built in the 70s. I think it's very ample. We can add a double vanity here. But this is where I think I would steal some space, Mario. I think I would reconfigure this whole area. Because this is a huge shower. And I think we could reconfigure the space, keep a good sized shower, and get a bigger closet in here.
I agree.
I think,
I think you put the door right in the middle. You make the shower smaller this way. And then you make the closet bigger.
And then you make the closet, and now you got,
voila.
I knew we could figure it out. It doesn't take us much time, Mario.
No, it does not.
When you've done this enough times, these things come to you secondhand. Again, I like the big windows, but they are original. To make some money, I don't think you need to change the windows. What do you think?
I would not change the windows if you want to make some money.
Kitchen, dated, has wallpaper, which I detest myself.
Poison. This kitchen is poison. Kidding.
Now this, I'm glad that this is already here. A lot of these kitchens, the sink is on an interior wall, and I always want to put them in an island. This one's already in the island, so I think I'd leave it that way.
I feel like having the island there takes away from the breakfast nook.
Right.
And if you plan on doing that, might as well push this out up to like here to where now it becomes an eating area.
A boat, right? You have an overhang of granite to where some people can sit around and gather. Yeah.
Yeah. Hey, listen, Marie.
I was thinking that, or push, making it smaller this way and pushing it in a little bit further, and now that opens up this space. So I think either one is a good solution for this space. Let's go see some bedrooms and bath right here.
More hideous floors. Oh yeah, this family room is decent size too.
Yeah, it's a good sized family room. I like that it's a split plan. I used to think that I wanted to be by my kids all the time, but now that number 6 is on the way, I always hate.
Let's be honest.
I need a little Eric time sometimes. A little Eric time. This beautiful, what color green would you say these are?
Puke. It's a puke green.
It's
olive green.
Gecko green.
Gecko green.
Yeah, I don't know what it is, but it's gotta go. That's out for sure. I'm a little afraid to open the door.
Thank you, Melanie.
What'd she say? Puke?
She said I got a great design sense.
Yeah, she did. Oh, you do. That's true. That's true. Good size room, right? This is bedroom number 2.
Yeah.
Closet, Mario. I don't think you're going to be okay with this. It's 4 bedrooms. Is this closet going to be okay?
This is tiny. It's tiny.
Yeah. It's okay.
I mean, it might be 5 bedrooms. What do I care? It's gonna be 1 person living here, and that's small for 1 person.
Oh, really?
Yeah.
Well,
what's up, Scott?
Here's what I'm gonna say about
this
that.
is a little bit bigger.
I always put the smallest kid in the smallest room, and they have the least amount of stuff. How about that?
That is true.
That is true. Good.
Yes. Perception is everything. To a small person, that's huge.
Yeah.
This is big. This is a large size.
Yeah, this is a good size room. Unfortunately, there's no light out here.
That's also another prison window. Having it that high.
Yeah, so I'm remodeling my house, you may remember, for our fans out there. And I found out that windows cannot be that high anymore. You have to be able to climb out of the window. So
escape.
That wouldn't be acceptable for today's code. I'm trying to remember, I think it's 30, don't quote me on this, I think it's 32 inches. You have to be 32 inches.
What are you trying to get?
I was counting the rooms in my head, I thought I was missing one, but I got it.
Yep, very small closets. At least in that room, it was. But granted, this is an older room, so this is an older house. So.
Absolutely.
Look at this, big laundry room though, right?
Yeah.
They don't make them this big
this
anymore.
This is where all the extra space went, it's in the laundry area. Just keep your clothes in here. You're going to put them in here eventually anyway.
Yeah, it had a minor settlement crack, right? Did you see the floor crack in the room? The last room?
I didn't notice. We can go back there and look at it.
But
we were told that there is a settlement crack along the back wall, but that we're going to check out.
By the way, we're walking through this for the first time also, so.
Yeah.
Oh, this is a garage.
Oh, yeah. So they told us that the AC was a little, it works, but might need some attention. It's from 1995.
So that's PEX, just so you know. I don't know what the hell that is.
That's copper.
And then back, I don't know. The copper thing is here.
Yeah, I think that's copper too.
Alright, I'm gonna be copper also. That's good. 95 for the, that's a good looking unit. Not.
We got Federal Pacific box, so that's gonna have to
Yeah, that's bad. But 95, that looks newer than 95.
I read the sticker. Maybe I read it wrong.
Yeah, manufacturing date 95. Okay. It's a replacement right there. Let's go back to the room.
We gotta check out the settlement crack. Where?
Well, Dennis, I don't know. Do you see anything or no? Nope, no settlement crack. It was just the glue from the carpet.
Yeah, this is glue from the carpet.
Yep.
I was gonna be surprised that I would.
It's all good, Melanie. Let's buy it. Lisa Marie says she hated the rule where the smallest person gets the smallest room with the smallest closet.
Were you the youngest? Is that?
Yeah,
is
that's
that
why.
you're
That's why she says that. Yeah.
I'm sorry. Look, I was raised in a family where there was something called the pecking order. And the oldest, they got all the glory, and us, I'm the 8th of 9. I mean, there was very little glory left. There was very little.
What is this?
Pool's green,
Pool.
can't see if it needs to be resurfaced. I always err on the side of caution and say, yes, it does need to be. Uh-oh.
Thank you, Dennis. I agree with you. That was probably Pexa Sharp bike. 2 copper. Clean pool. You can almost drink it. Yeah. You can drink it if there's nothing else around.
I think there's probably some kind of clubs where they would challenge each other to jump into pools like this. But here's the settlement crack that you mentioned, Mario.
Ooh. That's a weird one.
Yeah, I've never seen them
Horizontal like that, right?
horizontal like that. So that
Oh,
is...
but it's also down there, you see?
Yeah, it is, yeah.
Anybody work from Ramjack out there? You can advise us on this? But it's not bigger than 2 quarters combined.
It is not. It's not here. It's almost a quarter. It's every bit of 3/16 of an inch over here. But right, you can't put 2 quarters in there. Now the seller said, or the seller's agent told me that the seller said, so now this is 3rd or 4th hand information, that this crack was exactly the same size when the seller bought it. They have never bought it. It hasn't changed, is what they said. So take that with a grain of salt. But
Hold on, does that concern you?
Huh?
Does that concern you?
I mean, I'd probably call Ramjack and have it checked out. If it was a normal staircase shape, I wouldn't be as concerned. But it is going horizontal, which makes me think that it's this corner that's going down. But here's how I look at
New
this thing.
corner footing needed. Yeah, maybe.
The way I look at it is, if I put 1 pier here and 1 pier there, that's $3,000. Bada bing, bada boom, it's resolved.
What does that do to your insurance, though?
What do you mean my insurance?
You gotta claim it. You gotta say, hey, in my seller's disclosures, this had some kind of foundation issue. Do you claim it?
I mean, at that point, I have to get...
Thank you, Dennis.
I gotta get engineers involved at that point.
Yeah.
You know what I'm saying?
Sounds like a lot of money.
Yeah. Well, you got a structural engineer. He can come take a look at it.
Roof
Anyway.
is 14 years old. Looks like in decent shape.
It does look like it's in decent shape.
Fence, terrible.
Terrible.
Gotta get that addressed.
Yeah. But I like that it has a screened porch. And there's still enough room to where you could entertain in the backyard. You know, the pool doesn't take up
Some
the
kind of
yard.
structure over there. Survey is gonna tell us where a property line goes. But yeah, it's very gypsy. No offense to the
All right, any
gypsies.
questions about the house while we're here that we can quickly answer for you? We'll give you a few seconds to come up with that. If not, thanks for tuning in again to Home Unboxing, brought to you by TC Orlando Homes. We appreciate your viewing, and if you haven't checked out my video earlier where Melissa gives you a hair tip, you should check that out as well. We're here to bring all kinds of value, not just real estate, but other things as well. If there's no questions, we'll catch you up.
Lisa Marie, the price is $205.
$205. Negotiable. They're looking for a quick close. That's the most important factor for the seller. Take care.